So one of the reasons I believe PPF is one of the best protections you can get is because, as you can see here, all those rock chips and bugs that you catch up on the freeway can damage your paint considerably, and this is one of the reasons why I believe it will be a good option. Sometimes people ask, what is better, ceramic coating or paint protection film? And I will say PPF is the best protection ever so far, and you can see the reason why. Thanks for watching, and if you want more information, don't forget to visit jcdita.com or follow us on Instagram.